Good morning, everyone. Well, probably evening or lunch. But we got another product which I've needed for a long time because I'm tired of my stock antenna. We're gonna go out there and check and see the I think they're like 13 inches long. But so we got a 5-inch Shorty AntennaX. Came all the way from Florida to Idaho. Comes with all of the little studs, so you can put them in. Imports, Dodges, Fords, GMs, and yes, so we will get this on. I'll measure it, and it's gonna look a lot better. I'm not really in it for the reception. I might lose it, might not. I don't know. But I really use my iPod a lot more than I use my radio. So I rarely listen to the radio. So we'll go put this on. So we're out here. I measured it, and it's actually 30 inches from like right here up. So it's gonna be 6 of the length or whatever. But sorry, I got it unscrewed already. So put it on. And the antenna adapters are just, it's weird. I don't know. Oops, sorry. But some of them have this, some of them have a different antenna, but we'll try to get, it's just a little stud that goes in there, or it's in there. So let's measure this. Okay, so we got it out, and that's basically the size it is. Get rid of there. Like, look at that. Like, that's how much it's like, that big of a difference. Like, freak, that's crazy. But it's actually, it says it's built aluminum, so it's not like plastic at all. There was a bunch of reviews that said that it's fades from black to brown, but if anything, I will just paint it, so I'm not really worried about it. I'll do just white or something to kind of make it look a little different. But hopefully, I want to see if this will actually go in. If not, I'll need this. It says 2006 or earlier, don't need an adapter. Focus. There we go. But yeah, so Chrysler's, Dodge. I don't know which way. Does it go this way or import? Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, so it says I don't need one. So let's go try it. Okay, I was wrong. You actually do need this little adapter. I don't know why it's not focusing, but yeah, you need that. So put it on first. Then you just want to put this one on now, the antenna, and you are set. And then maybe put some Loctite on it just in case, but it's not that expensive. So I don't know. I think it was like $12, if that. But there we are. Look at that. A lot better than that huge ginormous thing. Make sure it's on there pretty tight. Yeah, so a lot better than the other thing, like than this. Let's see if I can stick that in there with hold it there. Like that. Look at that. Look at that. A lot better. A lot cleaner. It's always the small things that make a big difference, but no more ugly thing, and then this getting hit in the car wash and all this crazy stuff. So definitely recommend. I will put it down below on the link to get it. Sweet. So I mean, it fits, so buy it. It looks a lot better for sure. Look at that. That's cool. But yeah, like, share, comment, tell me what else you want to see, and thanks for watching this short video. So I got the thing installed. I can't show you or let you listen to the music because it will get demonetized and crap. But I haven't noticed any difference. I'm in town. I'll do a little thing, same thing when I'm going out of town in just a little bit. I'll be out in the middle of nowhere. So so far nothing's changed in reception, so that's always good. Okay, everyone, back to tell you what's going on with the antenna. I'm literally in the middle of nowhere at my friend's house. and there's nothing out here, and I still get a reception. So it works all the way out here. Even the station that I didn't think I was gonna get, I got. So it works fine. I would definitely buy it again if I had to. But yeah, to finish the video, again, thanks for watching. Stay continued for some big news. I will post on my community, whatever you call it, just a post. But yeah, big news coming.